Hey, thanks so much for taking the time to watch our video series. I'm Scott Moore here at Aspire Sports, 21-time national champion, and I'm going to share with you why pickleball is the greatest sport ever invented. First of all, it's the most social sport there is. I have friends from 20 countries, have played in over a dozen, and this sport is the greatest way to make a friend or find a partner that I've ever found, unlike a lot of other sports. It also is the most mental or strategic sport that I have ever played as well. I mean, I'm getting better. I'm 60 years old and playing some of the best pickleball of my life. Been playing 10 years. You can actually get better with age, unlike any other sport out there. It's also extremely physical. I also happen to be in the best shape of my life at 60 because I'm exercising every day for 2 or 3 hours and it doesn't even feel like exercise. That's a great way to get and stay in great shape as you age. It also happens to be a lifetime sport. My wonderful father played until he was over 90 years old, 4 to 5 days a week. I want to be just like him. There are lots of sports that claim they are lifetime sports, but very few where you can actually actualize it as you can in pickleball. Also, very low barriers to entry. For $50 to $100, you can buy a paddle, a couple dollars for a ball, and that's really all you need to play for years of fun, because there's courts going up all over the country and all over the world. So this sport's not going away. It's the greatest, most fun you'll ever have playing a sport. And I think pickleball's here to stay. It's gonna get bigger. So join me on the next couple of videos where I explain some of the basic rules and the strategy behind this wonderful sport of pickleball.
I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to take your pickleball game to the next level, making pickleball even more fun? Do you want to do it the right way and see results the very next time you step on the pickleball court? If so, I want to introduce you to the Pickleball Masterclass. It's the only comprehensive online pickleball course that'll help you achieve a 4.0 rating or higher, attract better players, better partners, and have more fun in a record time.
Inside the Pickleball Masterclass, we have 35 videos broken up into 8 modules. The serve, the return, the third shot, fourth shot, the dink, lob, the volley, and the reset. We break down each of the core aspects of the game and attach a principle so that the skill that is taken away takes all the guesswork out of the game for you. And you have a systematic approach to the game that you can build a solid foundation upon.
Just click the button below this video and it'll take you to our checkout page where the discounted price is already factored in. When you check out, you'll have instant access to all of the training inside the Pickleball Masterclass, the championship drills, one-day clinic, and the paddle grip series.